Uh, Good afternoon. In this video session, I would like to explain about the thermodynamic heat engine. Or engine, or you can say a cyclic heat engine. Now, the thermodynamics is saying that, but it is a thermodynamics process is a conversion of heat and work. So, thermodynamics involves with heat and work. Okay, and heat is a high grade energy. High grade energy, and work is low grade energy. Heat is a low grade energy and work is a high grade energy. And we are supplying heat to a medium and we are getting work from a medium, or that medium will be in a system. The medium will be in system. So if you take a cylinder and piston, so this is a system. That means the area between a cylinder and piston is a system. This is a system. And here some air mixture medium is coming inside and air mixture medium is going outside. After combustion, air mixture is going outside. And this piston is connected to. So here, four things are taking place. Work, input. That means we are compressing when some air mixture fluid is entered, we are compressing the air mixture fuel, that is work inside. This is one process. So this process is 1 to 2, for example. And after that, we are supplying heat to the air fuel mixture. So from 2, 3, heat input. From you are trying to give heat input. This is Q in. And because of this heat input, from 3 to 4, we are getting work output. Work output. It is W out. And after that, 4 to 5 process, the heat will be rejected to the atmosphere. Heat out. The mixture will be going outside, and the heat will be absorbed by the atmosphere. So the thermodynamic heat engine or cyclic heat engine is consisting of 4 processes: W12, Q23, W34, Q41. So work, input, and all these things are happening to a medium of air mixture fuel. So all these processes are being completed by air mixture fuel. So work input, heat input, work output, and heat output. So this is what consists of a thermodynamic heat engine. If instead of this is an internal combustion engine, we have got external engines or the combustion engines also there. And for example, if instead of air mixture fuel, if you want to use liquid as a medium, so the steam power plant will complete the cyclic heat engine process. So that's what I will discuss in this small video session. Thank you for watching the lecture.